GTA, let's get real about real estate. Maya here with your LSV Daily Market Snap, your direct line to what's truly moving in your market. Today, our spotlight shines bright on Cliffcrest. This vibrant and growing community has a compelling 30-day market story unfolding. Let's dive in and reveal the key insights. For Cliffcrest single-family homes, we are seeing a sales slowdown. While properties are taking around 34 days on market, the average price for detached homes remains a strong $1,370,000. Now, onto condos and condo towns. Sold listings are also down, and inventory is taking longer to sell. However, average condo prices in Cliffcrest are up, now holding firm at around $643,000. Are you being drawn to Cliffcrest? Connect with your trusted real estate pro at lifestylevideos.com today. Watch, know, win.